plant propagation is exactly like what it sounds like. We propagate plants, and the students do experiments on plants. So in a typical semester, we have 15 experiments running, which is a lot for the students to kind of keep track of. But what they never did in the past was connect the lecture material to the lab material. So I teach with professors who do the lecture, and we're pretty separate just because of the way the scheduling is for the university. But yeah, the students wouldn't really connect to the biological concepts of why their plants were doing what they're doing, even though I would, I think I say things a million times in lab, but some people don't read or see it, and that's okay, or hear it. But what's really cool now is that the students, because of Yellowdig, I left it very free form, which was not my intention. And the students just took off and they started connecting to lecture. So they'd post photos of their lab experiment that was going on. So they'd be in the mist room or be in the greenhouse, post a photo and be like, this is going on, I don't quite understand. And people started chiming in like, hey, we just learned about this in lecture. Like, this is all about parenchyma cells, which is just really fun if any of you want to look into parenchyma cells. But anyway, so yeah, for me, it was just great because they were actually connecting to the biology, which was just absolutely wonderful. And then the reports were so much better to grade because they actually were connecting it, finding scientific resources, which we all live in the age of very scary to me plant videos on TikTok. So it was really great to get them to use social media platform with science.